My name is Shuai Spence, and I am the founder and CEO of Dunamis Networks Incorporation. I'm a network engineer by training with BSc in computer science and multiple certifications, including Cisco Certified Network Professional and CCIE in Enterprise Infrastructure. I've spent the last 10 years helping financial institutions across Cameroon design and deploy secure IT and network infrastructures. Through that experience, I saw how many institutions, especially microfinance institutions, struggled with outdated systems and the challenge of going fully digital. That inspired me to build a modern core banking platform called Telius, specifically designed for African institutions. Why not the world at large? Our system is modular, can run on public or private clouds and on-premise data centers, and is built with NTA architecture in mind. Most importantly, it integrates seamlessly with third-party platforms like MTN Mobile Money, Orange Money, GMAC ATM Switch, USSD Service, and other banking platforms. Our goal is to make full digital transformation not only possible, but very easy, even for small community banks, by offering a plug-and-play platform that scales as they grow. We've already completed key modules like loans and client management, and we are currently rounding up with the savings product module. We are looking at August 2025 to round up with the core system. With support from Norwidi, we aim to finish with the user interface, mobile app, POS, ATM Switch, MTN Mobile Money, and Orange Money integration, and roll out pilot projects across the Northwest region. I'm excited about this project because it's not just tech, it's about empowering local financial institutions, improving access to finance, and creating jobs for young people in our region. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm proud to be part of this program, and I look forward to what we can build together.